Hello, everyone. This is our CFP65 open-type fin press. It stamps fins with 9.88mm hole diameter, 12 rows and 2-step progression. 24 holes can be punched per stroke. Same row hole pitch, 25.4mm. Cross row hole pitch, 22mm. Hole layout, staggered. Applicable aluminum foil thickness, 0.1 mm to 0.25 mm. Supports 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 fin rows. Cutter shape, rippled. Fin surface, flat and sine wave. Surface strengthening, super slit. Side trimming, rippled. Flexible single and double progression switching.